Assalamu alaikum, peace and blessings be upon you all. How are you guys? Hope you're all doing well. Anyway, so what's the topic today? Last video when I did about a free domain, this is my YouTube channel. If this is your first time watching, make sure you subscribe and hit that bell icon so that you get notified whenever I do new videos. And this is like I was doing about a video on free domain, and people have been started asking about free hosting, right? So even before I start, guys, I'll tell you something. Whenever you see something for free online, there is going to be some limitations. Okay, you do get free. I'm not telling it's not going to be free. It will be free, but the whole idea behind free is you're going to be offered something like might be not within a year or within after 3 months or after 6 months. You'll be presented with some other upgrade, or a limitation will be there, like after 3 months or 6 months you might have to go for that. But anyway, as a beginner, as a newbie, okay, that's fine. You want to save some money, that's fine. You want to kickstart your online journey with free stuff, okay, so that's fine. That understanding I did start like that, okay, so that's fine. Anyway, the first straight to the topic now. The first one is I learned this from one of my YouTube mentor. So that's what I want to convey to you guys as well. So the first website, I'll leave a list of everything. I think the list, you can see the name of it. This is called freehosting.com. That's exactly the name, free hosting. Okay, so if you see, you can come up and sign up. I'm going to give you 5 of them. There are lots and lots of there. If you just go Google it, you will come to know, guys. I mean, Google is like a gold mine. Okay, always remember, people when they come, they ask, where is this, where is that. Google is like literally the place where you need to go for everything. It's a big gold mine. Always remember that. But I did not realize when I started, but that's where everything is. Just go search, you will end up, you will spend time, guys. You will spend time and you will find it. So this is first website. I'm going to give you 5 of them today, but there are so many other. But 5, I will leave a link below. But this is where the first website is. You can see freehosting.com, where you're going to get like a free web hosting. Last time I told you about domains, right? So if you're going to get the domain from Yahoo Small Business, which is like for 1 year free, you can literally change the DNS name. If you want, I'll do a different video on that. It's easy, guys. I mean, it's like custom DNS. You will just telling that this domain will be pointed to this hosting, this company, whichever the company is. They will teach you that. It's easy to do, or you can just search Google or YouTube how to change the name server names. Okay, that's called DNS. Anyway, so this is a free web hosting company. Most important thing when you go into this, make sure what they're going to provide, cPanel or not. Many of them, they might not provide cPanel, so they are providing cPanel, so that's good actually. So hosting account management has never been easy. That's like different ways to host it. So cPanel is the best. Like I do use cPanel once. Anyway, so we have this is like WordPress, if you know. If we, I'll also leave a link. You can see this. This is what I was talking about. They will give you free, because there should be some limitation, right? So end of the day, after when you start, you will not be doing much. After 3 months, after 6 months, after 1 year, you will be like, see this, own domain hosting, multi-site hosting. That means one domain, okay, like not multiple sites. 10 GB disk space, that's good enough actually. Unlimited disk space, unmetered bandwidth, okay, 1 email account, that's also enough. I think this is really good, guys. I mean, as a newbie, as a beginner, this is good enough for your hosting, okay. So this is the first one, which is in my list on the 5th, freehosting.com, okay. So this is the first one. Take a note of it. Don't worry, I'll leave a link below so you can get it. So this is the first one. As I said, like, one word, when you're starting, you might be thinking one website, guys. I have like, I don't know, I do like mass page websites. I have like, I don't know how many, 30 or 40 websites, I think, like for different purposes. So as you grow, you can think about, guys. For first, when you start, you can start like these, okay. So that's the first one in my list. And the second one, let me close my YouTube thing. Yeah, okay. The second one on the list is infinityfree.net, okay. Infinityfree.net. So this is free unlimited web hosting. You can see this. Always go through the terms at the thing, because I'm just giving you the name. Go through it so that you know there might be some limitations, so you might not want it. So what they're giving is free hosting, okay, 98% uptime. This is where the majority of the free hosting will have problems, okay. uptime, where this basically when somebody reaches your website, it should load quickly within 1 second, 2 seconds. There's a website called gtmetrics.com where you can just perhaps plug in your let me show you, like that's something, always remember that, gtmetrics. That's like, this is one of the places where whenever you do a website, always go before you start, just to see how you are performing well, just go and type in your website here and see how it is good or not. Okay, let me type in my I don't know how good it is. Let me see. It's one of my pages.com. This is a website you can go and get my some bonuses and stuff. I've added some, it's a new website I've added mainly to add my, like, you know, like lots of bonuses as well as free stuffs, as well as some reviewing whatever I review. It's so much on my YouTube, right? I just also wanted to add only the good ones over there, so you can come back. Okay, that's really not good. Okay, both should be A. This should be A, and at least A and A. Okay, this is really not good. 2.6 seconds is a load time. It's okay, but if it is like, it's good actually, to be frank. 2.6 is good. Okay, something between 1 and 2 is really good. If you can get this into A, A and A, that's really green. Like, I mean, you say this A and B will be green color. So this is a Y slow and this is a page speed. So if you come here, Y slow seems to be good, and this is where you need to, I need to play around and do some changes. Okay, on the page speed stuff, there will be some limit, some stuffs I need to. If you see, there will be things which I need to. Video, what's all this? I don't know. I normally I worried about this one. Okay, it should not be. You see this, that the points score and stuff. A is really good. A is really good actually, to be frank, and that things here which is B, and this one here, use the content delivery CDN. That's something I need to improve so that I can get some green on that, and then this will change. Okay, so this is a page speed actually. Sorry, that's the same F here. That's been if you go down here, if you click here, if you just click here, it will tell these are all the images. There seems to be some problem. I need to fix this. Okay, I need to do that. Okay, so that's load time. Why I'm talking about this GTmetrix is that you might get attracted. Free hosting, everybody say free hosting, you might go. Okay, I can do guys, to be frank, I can just like that just give you a name and go away, but I'm just telling you the pros and cons. As I said, you know, anything which you get for free, there's going to be some limitations. And this, when website is hosting, they want to make sure that speed which loads is very important. So they make sure that's very important. Okay, that's why I showed you that website. When you can cross check whether how your website is loading as well. Okay. So they were giving unlimited hosting, completely free. Are you sure? Let me see. No credit card, require no time limits, no hidden fees, no forced ads. Yeah, that's the other thing. You might be pushed with lots of ads in your thing. You know, that's also make sure when that's why they say no forced ads. Okay, host any domain. Okay, so they're giving us soft Atlas. Okay, install phone application. Joomla, WordPress is allowed. Free hosting, unlimited space 400. Okay, free DNS. Okay, looks like it seems to be a good one as well, guys. So this is also a good one, which is on my list on 4th, infinityfree.net. I'll leave a link below, don't worry, just be cool. Okay, the third one is BYET dot host. Okay, so that's the one. Third one, sign up for a plan. There is going to be like a free hosting, paid hosting, reseller, VPS hosting, all the stuff. So you will be starting with free hosting normally. So that's the idea behind it. Sign up free hosting. So they're going to give you dedicated server, paid hosting, yeah, free hosting. Okay, read more. Let's see what's they're providing as well. Okay, after this, I will try to tell you what I use also, because many people have asked what I'm using. Okay, I'll tell you some of them as well later. Okay, so free hosting network, so free hosting plan. Okay, so they're giving you 5 GB, that was 10 GB, that was good as well. Okay, actually space is good enough if you're not doing, I'm doing mass page and stuff, I need more in my other websites. When it is like just review sites, I'm just going to do like 1 post or 2 posts in a month, you know, not much. Space is not a big problem at all, it should not be an issue. Okay, they're giving a control panel, free tech support. That's good. Again, no ads. That's really important. Actually, free SSL certificate. Is it free? I'm not sure. It's written SSL certificate is very important. That is the one which is like HTTPS. You know, normally you have to. Some only they give free, some they don't give free. So that also keep an eye. I forgot to tell about the other two. I didn't check. So If not, you have to buy, guys. Okay, so HTTPS, if it is free, you're good enough, but looks like it is not written free. Okay, so there might be a cap on it. Okay, anyway, so that's the third on my list, BYET. Okay, let's go to the next one, which is the second, ACU, right? Yeah, ACCUwebhosting.com. Okay, so this is the one. Okay, it's the best web hosting platform. This is actually very well known, actually, web hosting. Editor's choice they got, actually. That's good. Okay, Windows hosting, web hosting. Okay, so they're giving you some paid options. You can see this is how normally paid companies which I use. This is what the range it starts from: 2.99, 3.5, 6, even $10, $19 per month. I'm talking about. This is how they start, actually, web hosting. So you're gonna have where is that dedicated hosting? Where is that? There was a free hosting, isn't it, or not? Okay, guys, there should be an option for that. I'm not sure. I can't find it. This was a website actually previously I've cloud hosting, WordPress. Check it out, guys. There was an option on free. Let's see. I'm not sure. Might be they might have removed it. Account transfer. Account transfer. Top free website. No. Looks like it's not there. Okay. Shared hosting. Okay. I'll check it again. They did provide actually a free hosting option. Looks like okay, that's no problem. So this is not in the list actually. So anyway, so this is what, keep an eye. Actually, what I'm going to do is leave a link. As I said always, guys, the idea behind these companies is that when you go into their network, they will try to upsell. You know, might not be now. After, might be for selling SSL certificate or selling more space or upgrading to a next level, or just one website they give you to host. They try to give you more websites. So easy. I can see this guy chatting. Let me see if he's replying. Is there a free hosting, web hosting? No, I'm not giving my email. Let me put something else. Okay. See, they literally took my email within a second. Okay. Oh my God. Okay. Okay. So I didn't get a reply now. Anyway, so the idea is I just not seen. Okay. So I wanted to check whether there was hosting. That's other most important things. What you saw now, chatting. Having a website, if you're a newbie, if you're a well-versed person, you will not even have any support. But when you're a newbie, okay, looks like he's replying. Let me see, guys. Let me see. We can literally check. I'm just. Is there a free web hosting option? Sorry, guys. I think I'm taking most of your time. Just. What I was trying to tell you is this thing, what you see now, chatting, is something more precious. When you're hosting one website, you will not have much issue. When you have more websites, more things going on in your WordPress, you need to have like a very good quality support. The website which I'm using, which is by hosting companies like Liquid Web, Cloudways, these are all like, I'll leave a link below. That's all paid option I'll put. These are all top companies. Like within 59 seconds, within seconds, they help you. They solve all the problems whatever you have. That's why they're expensive as well. Okay, so that's the reason. Okay, so they do provide free hosting. So I can show you that. See this? Okay, so there's something they're giving a free with. I can click the link below. Now I'll show you. They have. You can check about link for the free web hosting. Perfect. So here we go. So I was correct. They do provide free web hosting. That's good. No credit card, no credit card required. That's good. So I already in front of your eyes, I have chatted and I found out they do have free web hosting. I knew that. That's why I written and kept. Okay. So you got a free web hosting on this custom domain. all those things. cPanel, that's good. Ultra fast rate over store. Okay, go through it, guys. Go through it, guys. Whenever you read, go through it always. Okay, free for lifetime. There is some limitations. You can see this. 2 GB is okay, but it's not that good. Okay, 10 GB is okay. So this is the paid ones. Okay, okay, 5,000 idea monthly visitors. See, traffic also has a limitation. 5,000, 30 GB. That's okay. These are all okay. Okay, so chat support. Okay, not there. Okay, that's you will require, guys. When you're a newbie, you want to have that. Anyway, we are talking about free stuff. Okay, so we can't expect everything. Okay, that's fine. Okay, that's really good. And they did reply very fast as well. That's good. Okay, so you have a free on Acquia as well, so it's a really good one. And the final one and the top one is X10 hosting, cloud hosting, that's free and unlimited. Cloud hosting is basically means like they have lots of servers throughout the world, and like you have a good option whenever you do, the uptime and all those times will be very faster when you have, like, because you have a good option to have your hosting will be accessible with all the servers around the world. So wherever you're near to that country, you will be easy to it helps in your load time and all those stuff. That's I'm not that much technical, but I'm telling you that's more powerful. Like cloud hosting is more famous nowadays with everybody using. Okay, so that's so you get the free cloud hosting. This is the one on my list, which you can check it out. You can see this free web hosting. Oh my god, I want to see if there is any limitations and stuff. Create my account. I don't want create. I just wanted to show you. So it will ask you to buy and stuff. Okay, get started with your free web hosting account now. It's easy. They might ask you to. Okay, I think. Okay, let's try that one. That's what I choose, right? No. Enter letters and numbers only. Okay. Okay. Does that allow? No. 1, 2. No. Oh my god. What is that? Okay, let me put something. Literally something. No. Okay. Oh, okay. We are currently not accepting new accounts while we perform maintenance on our backend system. We are. Oh my god. Okay. Sorry, guys. Okay. So this was on my first list. So looks like, I don't know why it is written. I just noticing it. I really didn't see it when I'm doing it. Get started with the free web hosting account. It's super easy and always free. Okay, they are not accepting new accounts now. Looks like there is some thing. So yeah, looks like there is some. Is there a chat option here? Help center? No. Okay, so this was the only cloud hosting option you had on my list. So it's not 5, but keep an eye. I mean to say, like, anytime they might open, and because it is free, they had to do lots of maintenance, and then you have to get back. And I mean to say, like, just jump on and anytime if you want to check it out, if it is available, and come and see if this is available or not. Okay, so premium hosting, I think they might accept premium hosting. I think might be the paid ones. That's for the paid ones, guys. On plan. Okay, see this 695. This is like premium. Okay, whenever it's cloud, it's going to be expensive as well. For one monthly, it is this like this. When you take more yearly option, you're going to get lesser, cheaper one. Okay, so this is like a paid one I'm talking about. So we have talked about free stuff. If you are coming out from our free web service, don't worry about moving all but that's what you don't have, guys. That's what I'm trying to get it right. You don't have free web hosting now. Okay, that's it. Anyway, so I didn't see that there looks like there's some maintenance going on, but keep an eye. So I leave a list on that thing so that you know the name, so you can use it or you can recommend to somebody. This is one of the top one in my list, which is because it's of cloud server as well as cPanel support. That's why I had this on my top list. Anyway, so it's up to you, whichever you're trying to choose and whichever you're trying to do. it should be useful for you guys. Okay, as I said, whenever it is free, there's going to be some limitations, and you will be, end of the day, when you grow, you will end up moving to more. Let me pick the screen. Okay, you will be looking for more options. For me, telling you guys, there are lots of review videos on the internet, on YouTube, where they say this hosting is good, that hosting is good. Why? Like me and everybody as an affiliate, we want to make money. Okay, you also want to make money, I also want to make money. So end of the day, that's the idea behind it. I mean, if you're into make money online, okay, sorry, if you're looking for free, and if you're not an affiliate, that's fine, sorry. When I say make money, I do want to make money, but not at not like, you know, like not on a wrong way. Okay, so that's why I'm trying to tell you this one, what it is. There are lots of hosting companies are there. There are pros, there are cons, but people, they say this is really good and they make you buy it. Okay, that's what is happening. I can see online. I do promote products, that's true, but I can see honestly, any hosting company you go, there's going to be some limitations. That's what it is. But if you really wanted to go to the next level, and if you want to, if you ask me, which I'm not also using, actually, I'm using like there are lots of companies are there. Actually, I showed you Bluehost. If you see Bluehost, like, if you want to have like a cheapest option, you know, I'm just giving a cheapest option is, you want a free domain and you want to pay for the hosting, so you get this option, right? Let me minimize this. That's what I'm trying to say. You see this free domain for first year, free SSL certificate, you will be paying like $3.95. Okay, this one. They are like 8 to hosting. I do 8 to hosting. Actually, if you ask me, I have like almost in like 10 websites in each. Okay, so that's what I will be doing. I am having it. Okay, so if you see this is like $2.99 per USD. So then next is Liquid Web Hosting. Liquid Web Hosting. This is like another big company. Okay, so I'm just going from the smallest to the next one. Okay, we have everything like hosting, like lots are there, guys. I'm not telling like lots of companies are there. It's all about the company which is going to support you so much. Okay, so this is the other one which has like 59 seconds support or something. Okay, this is like, if you see the prices are crazy here. It's really expensive as well, actually. Dedicated cloud hosting, it is expensive, actually. This is the manage hosting. Yeah, this is what I was talking about, 59 seconds support. Again, that's really helpful when you're like doing, like, maintaining a lots of get me all products. Okay, yeah, WordPress, there we go. So you can see this, it starts at $19 per month. So you can see that it started with 2, like it's going literally like 3, and then it's gone to this one. There's also something in the middle, like there's also something, guys, I forgot. I also had another one which I have, like 5 cloud host, which I also promoted before long back. In my YouTube channel, you can see that this is like for 5 years you get 10 websites you can host. I'm using this as well. Actually, I have 10 websites on it. Okay, this is like a cheapest, I would say, option. I'm telling you, I forgot this one, actually. Yeah, it's like $47 per 5 years. This is like, this, as I said, you know, this is a cloud hosting, and you're getting the cheapest one. This is also a product from WordPress, JVZoo, I think. So there might be some pros and cons. Okay, don't ask me, like, you know, as I said, you know, I'm not in this video, I'm not trying to push something. Okay, so I'm just only telling which will help you. And I think I took this package, 10 hosted domains. Yeah, this is 1 hosted domain. So what I'm trying to say is, if you want to save some money, you can do it. I'm not telling it's not possible. You can save money literally, like initially when you're starting, and then you can always increase your price. Like how you grow, more you make money, then you can always better. Then I want to show you the next one, Cloudways. Okay, I'm showing you like literally everything, guys, everything in the market, which is to the smallest to the top, and at last I will end up with the best. Okay, because when I say best, something which is recommended by Matthew Woodward, by Neil Patel, these are the guys who use these company. Okay, I'll tell you that as well at the last. Okay, where is the thing? This is the where's the price? I just want to show you the price. Sorry. Okay, this is like around $20 or so. I think some pricing is there. and I do have affiliate link of everything. Okay, so I'm an affiliate, guys. I promote product. I do make money when I promote a product. Okay, I'm just honest with that. So okay, I'm going to leave a link below. So if you're going to buy through my link, I totally appreciate your support. I do get some money out of it. Okay, so that's what I do. Okay, so but doing that, I just wanted to be openly frank, like honestly with you. Where is it, guys? Show me the prices, guys. Where is it? Cloudways.com. I think I should have gone cloudways.com. Nothing, everything else. Sorry, cloudways.com. Nothing else. That's it. That's it. Don't go to my affiliate panel. Okay. So let's see. Here we go. Pricing. So I also highly suggest when you use something, always promote that, so people will love that, because I'm using it, I'm promoting it, so it's really good actually. So get started for free. They say they give you like 1 month free or something. That's why it's free, not like fully free. $10 per month. Like that's not the one. Okay, that's for the thingy, like view all plans. Is it the actually it's start free is because they give you like it's like, if you see, it's like to the next level, guys. Okay, these are all like next level hosting things. You can see when you go monthly, and this you save some money on that. Okay, this is the next level of hosting. Okay, that's like next level. Okay, cloud hosting. I think this is the one. I think I'll leave a link below, guys. Just go through it on your own time. So much out there. This is a next level technical stuffs. Okay, these are all, if you see for Linode, we say this is like AWS, which is like Amazon, Google Cloud Hosting. This is like the next level stuffs. This is like, you will understand when you are into all these things. Okay, so all these things are all to do with your hosting thing. Okay, so that's what it is. Okay, so let's jump on to the last and the final one, which is the top recommended now in the industry, WPX. I mean, there are lots out there. I mean, after this, I think many are there, but this is what is recommended by one of the top SEO guy, or say this is where it is. Okay, so monthly and yearly, this is the price. You can see the price here, 20.83 per month. Okay, so that's also only 5 websites, not enough. I mean, enough for the newbies, but anyway. So this is, I also an affiliate of this. So okay, so I've shown you from the basic to the top, everything. I should do a different video. I should not be doing all in one video. Anyway, just giving an idea, guys. The whole concept of it is, you have to host your website. Okay, you have to choose from these things. If you don't want all these things, the next level is to have your own hosting. That is like going to Amazon S3 or going to Google Cloud, using your own hosting. That's like the next level stuff. This is where you pay somebody and you're using their service to host your stuff. So this is one of the top companies where you will have like an excellent support and excellent whatever it is, uptime, the load time, and all those stuffs you can expect from these guys. So when you go down, you have like pros and cons. Okay, as I said, I can literally say this and that to make money, but end of the day, I am an affiliate of everything. So if you like it, you can click it through my link, and I totally appreciate your support on that. That's what I would say. You can choose whatever I told you, whatever I've shown you, it's your choice. Okay, I also using, as I said, the cheapest option also I'm using. I'm also using the highest option also. I'm using the A2 hosting, like everything. Okay, so that's what it is, guys. That's all about cloud hosting. I talked about free and I went to paid. Sorry for that. I just wanted to show you what the market is all about. Okay, so if you like the video, make sure you hit that 2 things. One, if you're first time, make sure you subscribe, hit the bell icon, so you will be notified whenever I do new videos like this. Thanks a lot for your time, guys. See you in the next one. Bye.